Hello world. So Poseidon's Fury, Islands of Adventure was made in like 2000 or whatever, and you walk through this water tunnel that is a bridge and has this 20-foot wide jet of water. It's maybe 50, 70 feet long, and it was very impactful. So I wanted to recreate it for this interview that I had with the company that built it and designed it, Technifex, and this is what I came up with. It is working. I mean, I knew it.
Jets look good again.
They're sort of back to they're like still tilted, but they move it up. The water tunnel.
On the far end than the close end.
Because it's not. So cool.
You're not failing to find. You're kind of failing. Here, look.
What?
Oh, that's awesome. We gotta do slow-mo. We gotta do slow-mo.